Rocky road lies ahead, but here are 5 altcoins that still look bullish. So according to the Cointelegraph, Bitcoin is an altcoin, which is funny. But they also say, which I think is probably 4 altcoins, which is MATIC, Atom, XMR, and CHZ, is has opportunity during this upcoming bull market. So let's read through this article and I'll go through the charts and give you my opinion. And they start off talking about the weak performance in the markets in general. It's like, thank you. I know. I think we all know. Bitcoin, which is funny enough for an altcoin. I'm being sarcastic. It's obviously not an altcoin. I mean, I agree with this. BTC pair could, BTC could find strong support between 18,900 and 18,600. But I don't think we're going to see $25,000 in the next week. I think more likely it's going to break down or we're going to go sideways. We might hit somewhere around our current pi cycle low, but who knows? This is really just like throwing out multiple situations of what could happen. But basically, Cointelegraph is saying, well, we might see anything as low as 17,600, and we might see anything as high as 25,000 in the coming days. My personal opinion would be that we see something in between 17,500 to 22,000 for next coming week. Just for a sanity check, Nomics has this price prediction, and they run it for the next couple of days, and they use machine learning to actually do some predicting of what the potential daily price movement could be. And they don't claim to be 100% accurate. And I've seen they will fix their data. So maybe sometimes you're looking at, for example, we are on the 29th of August, and you might look back at here on the 18th of August, and you might think now, wow, it's really accurate. But in fact, on the 16th of August, they were completely wrong. And maybe for the next 1 or 2 days, they will fix their data. And then now we're like 10 days later, you'll be like, wow, they got it completely right. So just be careful when you're looking at previous price trends. But I think generally they have a good statistical analysis. Like they're not claiming to be accurate 100%. So they have fallen off perhaps since Friday last week, and that's okay. And they haven't done anything to fix the data. But recently, perhaps this week, and we know that Bitcoin follows, or the market follows like 7-day trends. So Monday is always a new week, new trend. So even though the price right now of Bitcoin is 19,830 and the predicted price is 21,000, we're not far off. But what I find interesting is the bottom was agreed yesterday on Sunday. So it found the bottom. So there was a downtrend from Saturday to Sunday. We found the bottom here, and we have an uptrend now. And you see for the next coming days, the predicted price will be, so from today, it'll be 21,066. And in the, on Thursday, Nomics predicts the price to be about 22,000. So just interpret this as an uptrend for the coming days. But then you see here, we're going to see downtrend. So we see an uptrend until Thursday, and then we see a downtrend. So who knows? Maybe in the coming days, we'll see 20,000 on Thursday, and the predicted price will be 22,000. And then maybe on Sunday, the predicted price is 20,000, but the real price is 17,500. But in terms of a trend analysis, it's very useful, but it helps you to understand 25,000 is unlikely. 25,000 would really be breaking the recent price trend. It just wouldn't. I just don't think 25,000 will occur in next week. You can see here, even the error of mistake is far off. So yeah, just to recap, I think Definitely anything between 17,500 to 22,000 for the coming days, coming week is possible. So a sideways trend, slightly negative trend, but definitely not $10,000 Bitcoin. I don't think so. We've seen a lot of bad news in the markets, and the crypto market has done quite well. So MATIC, which is Polygon, I definitely 100% agree this has a potential. Like, as somebody who actually has a token on BNB chain, I see the potential. I mean, I personally, there's a huge part of me that wish I launched on Polygon, because BNB is just full of so many scam and shit projects. It's just like being on Polygon would have made my life much easier. So they say like Polygon's rebounded off its strong support. If in the coming days the bulls can win, we may see $1.05. However, if the bears win, we can see anything as low as 0.63 cents. Well, it would be very bleak if we went back down to 0.63 cents. With $0.105 is far more possible. I think it would need to break 0.8. So Nomics is predicting a lot of sideways action, and the prediction and real price has touched for the today and yesterday, which is quite interesting. Generally, it's been, well, maybe not in terms of trend here, but it's not been far off. It doesn't have to be 100% accurate to be a good prediction model or price prediction. I mean, the markets really crashed last week, so no AI or machine learning is going to predict that for now. Yeah, I mean, it would be quite bleak if MATIC dropped down to 0.36 cents, but who knows? So next on the list is Atom or Cosmos. Cointelegraph selected it because it's above the current 50-day SMA. It's saying that this token has the potential of trading anywhere between $8.50 and $13.45. So I don't know much about this token. I'm not ashamed to say that, but it has real world use case. But because I don't know much about this token, I'm not gonna give any more additional context. So XMR, interesting. Privacy token. So XMR is trading at its current support of $142. So the new low levels are attracting current buyers. Wow. They think XMR could rally to as high as $174. Let's take a look at Nomics. Definitely had the potential to go to $182 last week. So a lot of sideways action is predicted for the current week, according to Nomics. I mean, people are looking for alternatives on privacy coins or hiding their crypto transactions. Like Tornado Cash is just for criminals, but I'm not completely against the privacy network. So yeah, it looks possible. Could be good times ahead for Monero. Okay, so last one is CHZ. All the guys who did a sports fans engagement platform. They're huge. Forgot about them. So even though there's been a recent correction in price, according to Cointelegraph, the token still remains in an uptrend, and that looks very visible here. So according to the article, the lowest it could be is 0.15, but if the bulls win, we could see anything up to 0.33. I, I know this project is really big. I don't know a lot about them, so I can't add a lot of I don't really have an opinion. So the current price is performing slightly better than the predicted price, but even the predicted price is expected to go up in the coming days. So the market's so even on this token, it's going to be a rebound for Thursday. So Thursday is going to be a good day. We might see 27 cents for this token, but who knows? I mean, I don't have any opinion on this token. I don't know enough about it. I think be very careful in general about which tokens you trade, because September is known to be a bad month. Like all the hedge funds are going to start taking profits. But If you're looking to buy some tokens cheap and you're just willing to hold for long term, like definitely MATIC, I say has great potential. And Bitcoin is just so cheap right now. If you can just hold on to Bitcoin for 5 or 10 years or 20 years, like just it will be good investment.